Okay, for the adjustment of the Premium 2 machine, you need just basically these two tools, a wrench number 20 and a wrench number 10. So the first thing that you have to do is to get these ones loose. Okay, and the same on the other side. Very good. So now the next step is to get this one loose just a little bit. 2, 3, and you do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and then this one is the one that is going to adjust. So you pull and you adjust here. So before you completely adjust the machine and you finish, first you try that the machine is working without any problems. Once this is done, you can look for extra adjustment. So basically you move just a little bit more and then you tighten, adjust and adjust. You try again, and once it is finished, then you tighten here and you do the same on the other side. Very good. So the other thing that you have to do is try again, try the machine, and once you try it and you get the good feeling, a good adjustment, then it's done. If not, you can repeat the process. Okay, so I'm gonna say it again. Okay, wrench 20, wrench 10. First loose these two, then you loose here and here. Then with this you get the tightness that you need, check, and then after that you tighten here and here, and that's the process.